Hi everyone, this is Engineer Rafi and welcome to our review online. We are still in the analytic geometry and for today's topic we will discuss about the standard equation of a circle, how to find the center of a circle, the equation of the radical axis, intersection of two circles, intersection of a circle and a line, and the x and y intercept of a circle. So we will combine all these topics in one video. Okay. First is the standard equation of a circle, but let me introduce first the general equation. The general equation. The general equation of a circle is ax squared plus cy squared plus bx plus ey b c d e f plus f equals 0. Your a is equal to c, okay, and they have the same sign. Okay, the standard equation we can convert this general into standard. Why? Because from the standard we can see the value of the center, okay, this the coordinate of the center, and we can also see the radius, okay. But from here we can only see by using a formula, okay. But before that, the standard equation is if at 0, 0, if the center is at 0, 0, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay, this is the standard equation of a circle if the center is at 0, 0. Like for example, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared. The radius is 5. Okay, if the center is at hk, okay, this is the value of x and y coordinate. If the value is at the center is at hk, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, that is equal to r squared. From here, hk is the center of the circle, okay, r is the radius. Like for example, we have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared, that is equal to 3 squared, okay. So the center here of this if this is the equation of the circle, your center, the coordinate of the center, that is positive 3 and positive 5. The radius is 3. Okay. So from this equation, we can convert also to a general equation if required, or from general equation to standard. Okay, that's it. And here, for the general equation of a circle, how to find the center, the coordinate of the center, we have the formula h is equal to negative d over 2a. K is equal to negative e over 2c. Okay, so this will be the coordinate of the center. That is the negative d over 2a and e and c. Notice that h, or in terms of x, this is the x, and in terms of x squared. The other one, y, in terms of y squared. Okay, 2c. And the radius can be calculated by formula square root of, we have d squared plus e squared minus 4af over 4a squared. Okay, this is the formula. In taking the radius given the general equation, if you want to take the radius, okay, that is D, E, A, F, and A. In calculating for these values, you always consider, for example, the sign of the these values, okay, these variables. Sorry, this constant. Okay, the sign of the constant. Okay, so that's it. Next is we have. Okay, what is next? Okay. So next topic is how to find the center of a circle of a center of a center. Sorry, the center of a circle. Okay. So this is how to find the center of a circle, as we discussed. Okay, from the general equation you can see immediately. Okay, from the general equation also you can use the formula. Standard equation you can check it. Yeah, and that's it. Next, number 19, equation of the radical axis. We have a radical axis when two circles. Just a minute. Okay. What do you mean by the radical axis? We have two circles, and of course we have the center. If we connect the center of these two circles, the radical axis is the line perpendicular to this line connecting the two centers. So this is the radical axis. This is perpendicular and located at the midpoint. If two circles are tangent to each other, the radical axis is this. And the radical axis, this is perpendicular to the line joining the center of the two circles. Okay. If two circles intersect, the radical axis is from the point of intersection. This is also perpendicular from the center of the circle. Okay. This is also perpendicular. The radical axis can be the equation of the radical axis is by solving simultaneously the first equation and the second equation of the circle. Then you will get eliminating x squared and y squared, you can get a linear equation. So that will be the equation of the radical axis. Let's have an example later on. Okay. But before that, first is we will discuss about the intersection point of two circles. So when two circles intersect, what is the point of intersection? That is topic number 20. Intersection point of two circles. We have an example here. Okay. And we have two equations, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 9. And the x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 16. From the first equation, the center is, what is the coordinate of the center? We have positive 2 and 3. And the radius is equal to 3. Okay, because 3 squared, that is equal to 9. The second equation, the center is 1 and negative 1. Okay, negative 1. And the radius is 4. 4 squared is 16. Okay. When how to calculate the point of intersection of these two circles? First thing to do is to expand the two equations. Okay, so let me write the first one. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 9. We will expand this one. This is a square of the first term minus twice the first term, and the second term we have 4x plus square of the second term. Okay, next, square of the first term plus y squared minus twice y and 3, negative 3, that is minus 6y plus 9, that is equal to 9. Okay, we will arrange this one into general equation of the circle. We have x squared. Okay, let's take y plus y squared, then x minus 4x, then y minus 6y, then the constant. Okay, we have constant here 4, 9 and 9. 9 transposed to the other side, it will become 9 minus 9, that would be 0. The remaining is 4. So plus 4 equals 0. Okay, this is our equation 1. The second is, okay, x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 16. Let's expand this one. This is square of the first term minus twice the first term and the second term plus 1. Okay, this is plus y squared plus twice the first term, the second term, plus square of the second term, that is equal to 16. Rearranging this one, this is x squared, okay, plus y squared. Okay, this is x minus 2x, y plus 2y. We have constant 1, 1 and 16. Okay, this is 2 minus 16 minus 14 equals 0. Equation 2. Now solve simultaneously the first and the second equation. We will get a linear equation. That will be the equation of the radical axis. Okay, so taking these two, we have x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equals 0. The second one, x squared. Okay, the second one we have x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 2y minus 14 equals 0. Let's eliminate the value of x squared and y squared to subtract it. Okay, so subtracting this one, this will be eliminated. This will be eliminated. Okay, minus 4x minus 2x. Okay, roll off the difference. This will become plus. So this is minus 2x. Right. Next, minus 6 minus plus. This will become minus. So minus 8. Next, 4 minus 14, this will become plus, and this will become 18 equals 0. Okay, now we can reduce this by dividing into 2. We have negative x minus 4y. Okay, 8 divided by 2, 4. 18 divided by 2, that is 9 equals 0. So this is the equation of the radical axis as we discussed a while ago. Okay. Now, what about the intersection point of the two circles? From this radical axis, we will take the value of x and then substitute to the first or second equation. Or we will take the value of y and then substitute to the y of the first or second equation. Okay. Now, for example, we will take the value of x. Okay, so x will be equal to negative 4y plus 9. Okay, I will transpose x to the other side. The remaining will be negative 4y plus 9, or that is equal to x equals minus 4y plus 9. Okay. Now I will substitute the value of x to the first or the second equation. So I will use the first equation. Okay, so this will be negative 4y plus 9 squared. Okay, following this equation, x, this one, negative 4y plus 9 squared plus y squared. Okay, minus 4 times the value of x again. So minus 4y plus 9. Okay, then continue na minus 6y, and then plus 4 equals 0. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. So I already substituted the value of x in the first equation. Now notice that this equation now in terms of y. Okay, so we will solve this one, we will simplify, then we will get here a quadratic equation. Then we will solve the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so square of the first term, that is 16y squared. Okay, minus twice the first term of the second term. I will use calculator. 2 times 4 times 9, 72, minus 72y. Then square of the second term plus 81. Okay, may I continue? Plus y squared. Then negative 4 times negative 4y, we have 16. Positive 16y. Then, okay, we will multiply this. Negative 4 times 9, 36. 9 times 4 plus 36. Minus 36. Continue, minus 6y plus 4 equals 0. Let me double check. Okay. Okay, combining the same terms, we have y squared here, we have y squared. So 16 plus y squared, we have 17 y squared. Next we have, just a minute, let me check my 16y squared minus 72, okay. We have y, okay, minus 72 and plus 16 and minus 6. We have negative 62y. Okay, the constant, we have 81, we have minus 36 and plus 4. We have plus 49. So now we now have a quadratic equation. 17y squared minus 62y plus 49 equals 0. Using calculator, we will solve for the value of y1 and y2. Okay, calculator, mode 5, then equation, a quadratic, number 3. Okay, number 3. This is quadratic equation. Okay, enter 17, enter 62, minus 62, and then enter 49. Equals, okay, we have 2.49. Y is 2.489. Equals, y is 1.158. Okay, so this is the roots of the quadratic. Okay, mode 1. Now, you now have the value of y, 2y. What we will do is to substitute the value of y to the radical axis. to the equation of the radical axis. So a while ago we have x is equal to minus 4y plus 9. Okay, it's from here. Or you can use also the first or second equation, okay, but this is the easiest one. Okay, now if y is 2.489, the value of x will be negative 4 times 2.489 plus 9. Okay, that will be your x. Minus 4 times 2.489, okay, plus 9 is 0.956 negative. Okay, negative. Now if y is 1.158, your x is, that is negative 4 times 1.158 plus 9. So minus 4 times 1.158 plus 9. We have 4.368. Okay. Now the coordinate therefore is, your x is negative 0.956 and 2.489. This is the first intersection point. The second intersection point is 4.368 and 1.158. Okay, so these are the point of intersection. (1.16), 4.36, okay, that's correct. Negative 96 and 2.40. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so this is how to calculate the intersection point of a circle. Okay. Next. Okay, you can check the books of DIT Vilsenia or Bisabilia or some other review centers. Okay, you can buy their books and to practice solving related to this one. Okay, another one is we have number 21, intersection of a point and a circle. Intersection